You recording?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Wrench Heads. So that's Joe. He's in the car. So what we're working on right now is we're going to be putting these bad boys, the rear coilover struts, into the Impreza. So don't mind our dust. Work in progress. Rome was not built in a day. So right now, Joe has already prepped by the intro. He's prepped the surface with some PP blaster. So your mounting,
It's inside or in the rear. So we thought it was in the trunk, like my year is, but it's inside the car.
yeah, it's inside the car in the top right, alongside where the speaker is, as you can tell, and the seatbelt coil. So Joe's gonna take that out. Okay. If you did not see the last video, it'd be linked up top. And what you have on the outside is you have two 19mm nut and bolt, top and bottom, which will connect to your rear knuckle. All right, and then we'll have to remove your brake line clip. It's just a little piece of metal that slides in. You can use either a screwdriver to kind of pop it out, or you can use a set of pliers in order to get that out. I want to show you, but I can't find it. But it's simple. You'll be able to see it. In order to figure out what side goes to which side, if you compare the mounting of the brake line bracket. So where I mentioned that little clip sits right here, that clip is on the same side. So that's how you know this is the rear driver's side. Fits right in, and the brake holder clip fits on the same side. I know some vehicles, they kind of are, for lack of a better term, a unisex fit, where it doesn't matter which side goes on what side, but these are side specific. All right, let's get back to it. Go ahead. Let it fall. It didn't fall.
It didn't fall?
No. Ta-da! So these are, as Joe prepares for the coil to go in. These coil overs are from Max Speeding Rods. Those look like they might be like a 14.
Yeah, these are good.
And they do have adjustable damper on top right here. Well, how many?
24.
24. So you got 24 different settings. I have no clue what the best setting would be. I would probably say 12. You always go for the middle. Set it for 12. But then these are already set to the stock ride height. If you are not sure where you need it set, then talk to a friend, play around, or just bottom it out and see what happens. As usual, we will post everything that we use and everything that we bought down in the description for your browsing and purchasing pleasure. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we got the one side in, all right? It was a 13mm bolt for the new lock nuts that go on the inside of the vehicle to the strut mounting tower. Make sure that you clean your mounting surface before you put these new bad boys in. So, like I said, check out the previous video. Watch the entirety of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, ask some questions. Make some observations and points. And then as always, wrench daily.